Unlock the future of video creation by discovering how to harness Sora 2's powerful AI for free. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Sora 2 and exploring legitimate ways to access its incredible video generation capabilities without spending a dime. Our first key method is through utilizing free trial periods. Many cutting-edge AI tools, including potential future offerings from Sora 2, often provide a limited-time free access pass. This allows you to experiment hands-on with generating various video styles, exploring different prompts, and understanding the nuances of its AI output. Next, keep an eye on community-driven initiatives as AI technology evolves. Developers and early adopters frequently host programs or beta testing phases where access is granted to active participants engaging in AI communities. Forums and social media groups can be your direct line to hearing about these exclusive opportunities. For students, educators, and researchers, educational licenses or academic programs are a fantastic avenue. Many companies offer special access or discounted programs for institutions and individuals involved in learning and development. Check with your educational provider or look for official Sora 2 announcements regarding their academic outreach. By leveraging these methods, you can gain valuable experience with Sora 2's AI video generation. Experiment with your creative ideas, explore its potential for professional projects, and get a real feel for the future of visual storytelling. Circumflex euros, all without the initial investment. Stay tuned to official channels and AI news sources, and you might just find your gateway to unlocking the amazing capabilities of Sora 2 for free.